So this week's episode is going to be short and sweet because it's been a rough week in the Hood household. But I wanted to make sure I got to talk to you, and if you're struggling right now, maybe this episode will help just a little bit. I hope so anyway. So here we go. Let's get to it.
Welcome to the Course Creators HQ podcast, helping you navigate the latest techniques for creating and marketing online courses. And now, here is your host, Julie Hood.
Hey there. So thanks for listening in. And if you are struggling right now, hang in there. I'm seeing a lot of folks who are trying to make it all work and trying to keep all the balls in the air and keep everything going. And frankly, it's hard. If you are not in this place, I am so happy for you. Keep doing what you're doing and keep going. But if you are, here are just a few things to have you think about, to have you play with, that maybe could help just a little bit. So, also, I wanted to tell you we had our first session for the Design and Build Your Online Business session yesterday, and I would really love for you to catch the replay. So I will have the link in the show notes, and it gives you 8 steps to take, 8 things to be thinking about, plus some cool new tools that I found. So make sure you get a chance. It's not too long. I think the main part's about a half an hour, and then we chatted for another half an hour. So if you get a chance, check that out and come join us, because we've got one more session that's coming up. And then before I forget, I need to make sure I tell you, if you were at all curious about Kajabi, or you liked it and you thought it was too expensive in the past, I definitely want to talk to you, because I've got this incredible discounted special coming up. Plus we get to work together for 10 weeks on getting your online business set up. And the last time I did this, the folks who attended said it wasn't just about courses. It was all about thinking around your online business and how things should work. So I'd love, love, love to have you. You do have to sign up with my Kajabi affiliate link, and the special pricing doesn't start until October 31st of 2024. So keep that in mind. Stay on top of it. We don't only have about a week and a half or 2, something like that, to get you in. So if you're thinking about it, or even contemplating whether it's a good fit for you, I'd love to have you come join me for that. Okay, so if it's been rough lately, if you've been struggling, the first thing I want you to do is know, I get it. It's tough and it's challenging and it's hard sometimes. And the first thing, hopefully, that will help is to step back and kind of remember the long-term approach and kind of where you're headed. You know that you can help people. You know that helping them is part of your calling. We just got to get all the pieces of the puzzle together for you. So remember that big picture, because when the short term is rough, that's one of the pieces that can help you kind of step back and take a big long-term look at things. Then in the short term, let's figure out, what is it you need right now? Is it another one-on-one client to get some cash flow coming in the door? Is it more leads? Maybe it's doing a quick mini course or a workshop for some cash. Or, what is it that you think you could do and take action on right now to help in the short term? And then you just got to get to it and start taking action. And I know doing stuff when you're in a tough place and when you're overwhelmed, that's sometimes the hardest part. So take a baby step, and then another baby step, and another baby step, and then pretty soon you'll have made some progress. And you'll have to push yourself. You're not going to feel like it. You're not probably going to feel motivated, but that's what it takes to get out of the funk. And right now there's so much going on, especially the energy right now is just brutal for folks. Between the weather and in the U.S., we've got all the election chaos, and So you have to find your center, your place where what you're going to focus on and what you're going to ignore, and really hone in on that and focus on that. So, like I said, short and sweet for today. I didn't want to overwhelm you, especially if you've got a lot on your plate and there's a lot going on, but definitely try to watch the first session, catch the second session, and I hope we're able to work together. We need you. We need what you can provide. We need what you do for the planet, and thank you for hanging in there and moving forward, even when it's tough, even when it's hard, and know that your students are benefiting from all of your wisdom and your brilliance. So thanks for listening. Have a great week, and I hope that you are able to make just a little bit of progress and that we get to connect soon. Take care.